Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the dark mode on the Google Chrome web browser, the mobile version, on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser and go down and select the Settings gear button. And now on the left side underneath Basics, you want to scroll down and locate where it says Theme. Go ahead and select that. And then you go ahead and select the dark theme. Give it a second, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.